I can't look at
By show of hands, anybody know what outside machinist is and what they do? An outside machinist helps build ships for the Navy and Marines and support the United States. I have been an outside machinist for 4 years. The purpose of my speech is to give information about outside machinists and their duties. To give you knowledge about outside machinists, I am going to tell you what they do and their duties and importance. First, I am going to tell you some histories of Huntington Ingalls shipyard where I work. A description of the outside machinist, who we are. We design, build, and maintain ships for the U.S. Navy, U.S. Coast Guard, and at Huntington Ingalls shipyard and Newport News. For more than a century in Virginia on the Gulf Coast, we build ships in more classes than any other U.S. Navy shipbuilders. The outside machinist installs and repairs equipment. They make sure that all equipment is functioning well. In order for an outside machinist to perform their duties successfully, they use planners, gauges, milling, cutting, redial, drills, presses, and computers to aid design software. Small components such as pumps, motors, fans, cooling coils, and valve actuators. Hydraulic control valve, remote valve operator, zinc anodes, and installed on submarines and OSM mechanics. Although an outside machinist play a big role in building ships, there are more trades that help build award-winning Navy vessels. Welders plays a major role in the building ships. There are also some other trades such as fitters and electricians who play a role in the building the Navy ships. Shipyard outside machinists are required to make certain installations above and below decks through the ships. The ship equipment to be installed and fabricated in various departments. In some cases, the work of the outside machinist is 75% completed before the ship leaves the waves. At other times, the greater part of the work is not started until the ship is launched. An outside machinist is responsible for applications and care of all standard ship measuring and handling tools. They properly care for the safety, uses, hands, power tools, and all property. They also practice craft, ships, yard safety, and environmental measures. Last, I would like to discuss the importance of an outside machinist. The outside machinists have very important jobs. They help build ships for the military. Without U.S. vessels such as aircraft carriers, LHDs, destroyers, supply ships, LHAs, frigates, and submarines, we would not have the machinery to protect our nation. Huntington Ingalls' motto is, Huntington Ingalls builds the best ships in the world for our nation. It's hard work and it's done right. To conclude, you should know more information about outside machinists, their duties, and their importance. Since I have been an outside machinist for the past 2 years, I am a qualified candidate to give the knowledge about an outside machinist.